Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui from Inakit. Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find a variety of fun and easy to follow craft tutorials. From intricate DIY projects to simple relaxing crafts, there's something for everyone. But that's not all. Inakit also offers craft material kits to purchase to make it easy for you to get started and hassle-free. Just click the link below to explore and purchase your kit. Whether you're parents looking for creative activities for your kids, young adults who love DIY, or anyone with a passion for crafting, Inakit is here to support your creative journey. Don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest updates and new tutorial videos and exclusive offers. And be sure to hit the subscribe button as we continuously update and expand our collection to inspire your crafting journey. See you soon!